Here we are back at the home front. Look, you can tell. Got Buddy Dallas here. Say hi, Dallas.
Hello.
Today we're gonna be working on some steel, heavy metal. Building Anvil. First project. First step here, clean up surface. Get ready for welding. We're gonna heat it with the torch, sweat her out, weld her up, get some sparks flying right on. Thanks for coming.
Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
What good is that? Now we'll get the four corners for the legs. Fuck, that thing's heavy. Alright. Over to the welding area. So, plans for the table. We got 7/16 base plate right there. We're going to use 2x2 tubing. We're going to make the top face of the anvil probably about 2 feet, because that's about where my hand lays down, full extension. So you get full gravity force of your blow. And this is about 3/8 plate, this little one that we just dressed up. So we get the tubing on. We're going to get some gussets made out of these scrap pieces here. So for structural support, top and bottom, we're going to have 8 big ones on the bottom, 8 littler ones on the top. We're going to have this big beefy bastard. He's going to be on there. That's going to be our working surface, because we got the flat edges, we got the rounded edges. Grace that up, and we're just gonna play it by ear. All right. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this to length. Decided that I need 21 inches times 4. I don't even know if that's still pointed at the thing. I put my. What can you even see? Yeah, you can see that. Tell me I broke the blade. Oh, thank God, she just fell off. Woo! Woo! don't have any spares. Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Not very straight. Whoopsie doodle. I guess we can just measure from the other side now. Oh well, it's nothing a bench grinder can't fix. Hey, hey, hey. Here. Here. Basically, until that line disappears. Okay, now we're gonna bevel these. So you can see better. Bevel these are the old flapper. Careful. Flip it over to the other side. Do the same again. Clean up this mill scale. We're going to do that 3 more times. Not right this second though. So trying to get this perfectly square, we got our square in here. You see it's buttered up, a little bit of a gap on the bottom, so cocker that way a little bit. Show a little piece of paper underneath. It's too much. Half it. Half it. Ah, that's better. Come around to this other side. Put the square up to her. She's pretty fucking square. We'll throw a tack in here. And we'll get back to it. I don't know what to tell you. Alright. Good tap. Oh, we're moving our work piece. Come on. I think it's a little bit of flux right on the end.
Break.
What's that?
Hammer it. Got a good tack.
Probably not. Use your slag hammer or what?
You're holding now. On this side, this corner.
Wait, what? Opposite corner?
This corner here. Right there. Dead nuts, as they say.
Oh boy.
Corners.
Alright.
The corners.
Finish it up.
Get the corner, this corner, and the other corner.
Okay.
Okay, and then you start where you started first.
Because that'll be the coolest spot.
Yeah, you chip your flux off and then you run your bead. Okay.
No. Maybe I'll turn it down to 9. Listen, I can pay it. Doing a little bit of the weed.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, so.
So, in case you couldn't tell, to get these things square, what we first did was we would set it up and we would use our speed square, see which way it needs to go. We found that they needed to come this way and that way. So, commonality would be this corner. Start by tacking that corner. Once that's tacked, You can give her a tap that way, give her a tap that way till it's square again. Go to opposite corner. We in Canada up here call it kitty corner. Tack that corner. Make sure it's still square in both directions. Once you got that, then you do your last two corners. Fill passes in between. Right on. Okay, so looking at it, top needs to go that way. Flip it over to this side. And the top needs to go that way. So ergo, this is the corner we're going to tack first. Alright, table is in place, a couple tacks, just about ready to finish her up. We had a bit of warpage on our lower basil plant in here, so we had to shim the sides a little bit, but that's okay, that's okay. Yeah, just keep on trucking. And there it is. Some poorly, don't judge my welding inability. If it ain't pretty but it works, who cares? Penetration over style, right? Yeah, function over fashion. I'll just have to chop that guy off soon, but there she be. She's got a hammer. Pretty good rebound. Got a chunk of rubber over there to put underneath. It really dampens the sound, makes it not as loud. Right on. Remember to tune in every Sunday for new videos. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't like what you see, leave me a comment. Tell me why. Don't be a dick. But yeah, if you want to find me on Instagram, see some behind the scenes that doesn't always get posted as stuff that I don't post on YouTube as often. Sammy_Dummel_Boyce. Till next time, eat shit and brap on.